the physician of the referring facility must, the ownership of that patient.
Nigikaro kiria Ngabana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja agwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya Senate igima wa mwiri gucokia ciuria cia uria utungata uyu ukoretwo gitavarirwo thiini wa mucii munene wa Nairobi.
We don't detain women in facilities. It is the waiver period and process that takes a bit of time. And that is what we are refining.
Sakaja igite ugima wa mwiri ni kimwe kia ituge iria ekirire na njira nene kuria hotete gwaka ICU 46 kundu gutarari kindu undu urigite ni uhuthitie mitungatire ya muingi mathibitari ni matiganite.
Has any efforts been made by the county to expand the capacity of the ICU beds so that mothers can have safe delivery and safe motherhood? How long did it take you to search for that ICU bed?
In the last 3 years, we have developed, if I count the number of ICU beds that we have, Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital are 18 beds. Yeah. From there being no ICU, 4 of the main ICU, PICU, which is pediatric, 6, neonatal, 8, from 0. Mama Margaret Uhuru Hospital now has 10 ICU beds. So that is 28. Mbagathi now has 8.
Oho Sakaja oigite ukinyaniria wa mogaruruku maria mendekithitio ni Dr. Mase Mwagagi megi urugamiriri wa mathibitari ma level 5 ni umwe wa maria macangeire mogaruruku Nairobi. Ona kuri uguo oigite kumana na uingi wa andu mucii munene wa Nairobi no menyititie muthiori gutigirira mathenya maria marikuo ni mathingwo.
Mama Lucy alone has 1200 staff. Mama Lucy Hospital, that is the staff of some counties, the full staff. Mama Margaret will have another 1500. MWENA-INI, if you see the building we're completing now, the number of staff also will be big.
What is the current status and why has it taken so long? Because that issue was resolved by this committee in early 2023. We are now 2 years down the line, Governor. I think, Governor, I was even going to just ask you, this one for completion, now that the contractor is back, what is the estimated time to completion?
By July 2026, we should have completed that project. That one can give us a specific timeline to the Senate.
Ona kuri uguo Ngabana ni uriria tarĩrio ria koretwo akirũmbũiya CHPs nditweria ehiũhirie ciande kwa ihinda no atarĩria ati unyitanĩri wa thirikari nene harĩ uruti uyo niguo cangĩire mathĩna mamwe maria makoretwo makionekana.
Chair, CHPs were getting nothing. I brought a motion. We started as Nairobi. Now they are getting something 3.5. Ideally, CHPs should be at minimum wage, if you ask me, because they are no longer volunteers. They're actually workers. You know, they actually do meaningful work. If it was up to me, we would have a conditional allocation to all counties for CHPs to be at a minimum wage, you know, like, because of the work they do.
Kamiti no ikiranira kwandika riboti yayo yegemaini na uriguma wa mwiri utarie Nairobi kuria macokeirie Ngabana ngatho ni gutia giikaro kia umuthi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Maina Kĩhumo.
Around will also be a way of relieving pressure. Asanteni sana.